So I just stumbled upon this directory for Claude Code Plugins and it's pretty intriguing. A whole marketplace for plugins, right?
Wait, seriously. I hadn't heard about that. What kind of plugins are we talking about here?
They've got both internal plugins developed by Anthropic and external ones from partners or the community. It's like a tech ecosystem.
That's fascinating. But how do you ensure the quality and security of these external plugins? Isn't that a bit risky?
Exactly, they mention a quality and security standard for approval, but it does make you wonder about the ones that slip through, right?
Totally. And the fact that you can just install them directly from the marketplace raises some flags for me. What's the installation process?
You can run a command or browse through the plugins in the Discover section. It's super user-friendly, but, is that too easy?
I get what you mean. Convenience is great, but it can lead to users installing something that could malfunction or worse.
Right, and there's a warning to trust a plugin before using it, but that feels a bit vague, doesn't it?
Definitely. I mean, what if a user doesn't know how to evaluate a plugin? It could lead to some major issues.
Exactly, it's like giving someone a knife without teaching them how to use it properly. You need those guidelines.
And I noticed they have a section for contributing plugins. How does that work? Anyone can just jump in.
Yes, they have a submission form, but again, I wonder about the vetting process. Are they really checking every submission?
I'd hope so, but even then, it seems like a potential risk. It's a balance between community involvement and safety.
Totally, and speaking of structure, each plugin follows a specific format. That's smart for consistency.
Yeah, but what happens if a plugin doesn't meet that format? Can it still be functional?
That's a good question. It might work, but it could also lead to unexpected behavior. It's like coding roulette.
Exactly, and I guess that's why they have documentation to guide developers. Still, is it enough?
I mean, documentation is essential, but it really depends on how intuitive it is. Not all developers are the same.
Right, and what about the potential for outdated plugins? That could be a security issue too.
Definitely, users need to stay vigilant about updates. It's like maintaining your own software ecosystem.
So the takeaway here is that while plugin marketplaces can be fantastic, they come with their own set of challenges.
Exactly, it's both exciting and a bit scary. You just have to be informed and cautious.
I think it's intriguing how this model could evolve. Could we see more of these directories in the future?
Oh, for sure, it's a trend that might catch on across different platforms, but they'll need to address those security concerns.
And let's not forget about user education. They need to be part of the conversation.
Absolutely. So, what's your take on balancing innovation and safety in these plugin ecosystems?
I think it's about setting clear standards while also promoting community engagement. It's a tightrope walk.
Definitely, it's that classic case of progress needing a safety net. Without it, we risk a lot.
And that leads to broader implications for how we interact with tech in general. It's all connected.
Exactly, this conversation could apply to other tech developments too, like AI tools or apps.
For sure, it's the same principle, innovation versus reliability. Makes you think, doesn't it?
It really does. I wonder what the future holds for these platforms. Will we see more safeguards?
I hope so. Users deserve to feel secure while exploring new tech. It's all about trust.
Absolutely, and maybe that trust will encourage even more innovation. It's a fascinating cycle.
Definitely. It's like a dance between creativity and caution. Can't wait to see how it unfolds.
Right? The beauty is in the evolution, but hey, we should always stay curious and questioning.
For sure. And that's what makes these discussions so valuable, keeping the conversation going.
Exactly, so what's our next topic? There's always more to explore in this tech landscape.
I'm excited to dive into more. But first, let's reflect on what we've learned today.
Absolutely, there's richness in these discussions, and it keeps us on our toes about the future.